Welcome. Today I will cover some of the ELT or extract, load, transform capabilities, also known as pushdown optimization, that were added for the Databricks Lakehouse platform in SnapLogic's August 2021 release. Databricks combines a simple, open, and collaborative Lakehouse platform for data engineers, data science analytics, and machine learning. Enterprises continue to embrace the cloud data warehouse as a key piece of infrastructure that allows them to democratize access to the data that teams need for analysis, regardless of coding capabilities. Along with this technology adoption, enterprises are embracing the extract, load, transform, or ELT design platform, which allows the enterprise to achieve faster time to value by making the data available in the CDW to all users sooner. The SnapLogic ELT allows users to leverage the SnapLogic UI to visually design pipelines that execute SQL in one of the support data warehouses. In addition to the Databricks Lakehouse, SnapLogic also has ELT support for Snowflake, Redshift, Azure Synapse, and plans to support Google BigQuery in the next release. Here is an example of an ELT pipeline that will select data from tables in a data warehouse, then transform the data using SQL that will ultimately execute in the data warehouse. I will add another ELT select snap, add the account, then use the suggestions available to me in the UI to select the demo database and a table that represents a date dimension that will be used in the model I am creating. You can see here the option to preview data is available on a per-snap basis within pipelines to allow for greater flexibility while building transformations. There is also an option to use raw SQL statements that can leverage the expression language to be parameterized. Next, I will add a filter snap to only return data for 2013 onwards, again selecting preview data. You can see in the preview the resulting data as well as the SQL that is generated and ultimately executed in the data warehouse. Then I add a transform snap to limit the number of columns I am working with downstream to the customer, store, return date, and returned amount columns, and rename two column names to use the prefix CTR. I can use options to filter, select, then drag and drop to build the transformation similar to the mapper snap. Using the ELT join snap, I perform an inner join to cross-reference some customers' return data with transactional data that includes the cost of a returned item using a date column as the join condition. Then I use the ELT aggregate snap to sum returns and group them by customer and store. You can then rewrite the CDW using either the ELT insert select snap that includes all of the suggested capabilities mentioned earlier, or the ELT merge into snap for complicated situations that involve incremental updates or conditional logic that can be added as a merge into statement as a where clause. You can combine these ELT capabilities with all of the other capabilities of the SnapLogic platform using the pipeline execute snap. Users have the option to build and orchestrate their pipelines as they see fit. For example, you can separate the extract, load, and transform steps into separate pipelines, or combine the extract and load portions into a single pipeline that then executes the transformations. Thanks for watching this video. To learn more about SnapLogic ELT, please visit snaplogic.com or check out our documentation.